Still using different machines for different materials? What if your milling machine could adapt to your materials, instead of the other way around? From zirconia to glass ceramics, titanium, and more, GSM-7X is built for flexible dental milling. Dual mode milling. Dry or wet, switch between both modes in one machine. From zirconia dry milling to coolant-assisted machining of glass ceramics and other materials, it adapts to different material requirements with ease. Multi-material compatibility. Designed for versatility, it supports zirconia, glass ceramics, titanium discs, 𝗪𝗔𝗄 alloys, wax, PMMA, PEEK, and more, covering applications from single crowns to multi-unit bridges. High-precision machining. Powered by a 60,000 RPM high-performance spindle and Cintiq V10 motion control system, it achieves machining repeatability of ±5M for consistent and precise restoration production. High-efficiency production. The 2.5 kilowatt spindle delivers powerful, stable cutting performance, while the 21-tool automatic tool changer streamlines production. Intelligent toolwear prediction helps monitor tool conditions and maintain consistent machining performance. 5-axis structural advantages. The rigid 5-axis structure helps minimize vibration and deformation, enabling precise machining of complex anatomical details such as occlusal and interproximal surfaces. Milling strategies and customization. Beyond hardware, optimized milling strategies are available for different materials and applications, with customized strategies to meet specific production needs. GSM-7 flexible milling for a new generation of digital dental laboratories.